The next tool that we're going to look at, our tool section, is your properties palette. So in your Revit file, it is found here. It populates once based on the item that you're working on. So for instance, if I select this wall, it will then populate my properties palette for that item that I've selected. So there's often a drop-down menu. When I click on this, for example, with walls, I can choose the type of wall that I want. So I can change it even after it's been set. So maybe I want this to be an interiors 4 7/8 inch wall. I can change that here. There's additional items here if needed. Edit type. So in this is where you can change structural information. This is really where we get into the materials, and it'll allow us to change finishes, so we can get into that later. You can also duplicate and rename different properties. So as you create different flooring types, different ceiling types, we will get into how you use that, but that is what this edit type button is for. And then below it, you also have lots of times constraints or further information you can adjust. So this has the wall centerline. I could change it to the finish face interior. This is, again, it's going to be where my dimension comes from. You have your base constraint and base offset. So this is starting at level 1 and it's at the bottom of it. This base offset, if you had, for instance, say a TV monitor that you were placing on a wall, you may need to adjust the base offset to how far above the finished floor the bottom of that TV would be. Your top constraint is also here, so I could do this just to level 2. I can also, if it's unconnected, you can also change the height here. So I could change different wall heights within the space. So again, each of these will change based on the item that you're looking at, but this will give you different information to make changes and make sure that all of your items are matching what you need it to for your design.